Should you buy graded coins? All right, so what do we have here? We got some slabbed graded coins, right? I've got some silver graded coins right here, and I've got some gold graded coins right here. Now, are these worth buying? I mean, that really all depends, obviously, on your preferences, but I'm going to get into which you should buy, if any, and why you should own them. When it comes to graded coins like these are being purchased for the numismatic / collector value. That's what these are for. Okay, these aren't for stacking. This is for collecting. And what you're doing when you're buying these slabbed and graded coins is that you are buying these for a variety of reasons. First of all, you're buying them for the year. You're buying them based on the mint mark. You're buying them mainly for the quality of the coin. When you look at these coins up close, they will have a higher grade depending on the scratches and blemishes, toning, dents, things like that on the coins. So when you flip them over, right, the grading companies, they're going to look at these and they're going to assess, the different fields and any of the different markings and what have you on the coin, and they will grade it as such. So when it comes to buying slabbed coins, is it worth having these, or should you be stacking unslabbed coins? For me personally, I prefer the unslabbed raw coins. I buy basically all of my bullion, all of my collector's pieces, raw, ungraded. And I'll get into the reason as to why that is in just a moment. But I definitely always lean that way for everything that I buy. Now, some of the stuff that I have here, I buy these because I sell them. That's really it. I have come across many, Morgan dollars and peace dollars and other coins that have been graded really, really highly, and I'll buy them and I will just sell them. I have really no urge or connection or need to buy them and hold them for myself. Nothing wrong with people that are doing that. Everybody has something that they enjoy collecting and doing. That's fine. But for me personally, I don't do it. I don't get all excited over it. I would rather buy them and then flip them for a profit. That's what I do. And when it comes to the raw ungraded coins such as these, I will just buy them because I would want to keep them for the weight. That's it. I want to be able to sell them very easily without any difficulty. When you're looking to resell these types of coins, they're going to have a higher premium. Plus, in my opinion, you're going to have less of a buying pool than you would if you were just selling the raw ungraded coin. You're looking for somebody who actually wants the particular year, the particular grade, and they have to like that particular coin. Some people like blast white coins. Others like the toned rainbow coins, right? When you see a coin like this is really, really kind of shiny. It's got a little bit of toning on it, but some people prefer the coins to be, really, really white, like pristine, very, very shiny, while others would prefer a little bit more of a tone. This has a little bit more toning here. You can kind of see it if I get it into the light there. But when you're buying these slabbed coins, you have to remember that it's all coming down to scarcity. Some coins have, different errors that people find to be very, very collectible. And so when you're buying these things, you're basically just buying them for the collector's value. Same thing with the gold coins. When you're buying these coins, you're buying them for the collector value of them, the numismatic value, and the grade of them. These were given to me as a gift. Sometimes I will be given the opportunity to buy gold coins that are slabbed for the same exact price as being unslabbed. There have been many times I've gone to my coin shop where I'll say, hey, Steve, can I get, some gold? And he'll say, yeah, we've got, the gold coins here, raw, ungraded, or I'll sell you the slabbed ones for the same price. So for me, it's a no-brainer. I'll buy the one that's slabbed, and I'll tell you why I do that. I won't keep these for myself very long. These 3 I will. These were from a gift. I'm not going to tell you who it was because they wish to stay anonymous, but these I'm going to keep. But when it comes to the slabbed and raw coins, and I recommend that you possibly do this for yourself. Let's say I go into the coin shop and I say, okay, I want this 1/10 ounce gold eagle. How much? He says, okay, it's $250. I'll give it to you for $250. Or how about you take this and I'll also charge you $250 for this instead. So I will always then say, well, heck, I'll take the slabbed one for $250. Because what I end up doing with this down the road is I will probably sell this for a profit on that $250, and then I will go back and I will just buy myself the raw coin that I originally wanted. I've done this before. It's kind of like trading them out. So when it comes to owning, slabbed and graded silver and gold coins, they have a different part of a strategy. This you're doing for the weight. You're buying this for as close to the melt weight as possible, right? You're trying to buy this as close to spot as you possibly can. That way you're not paying too much of a premium. When it comes to this stuff, this is the collector stuff that you're looking to possibly one day pass down or flip it for a profit. So when it comes to whether or not you should be owning slabbed and graded coins, or should you buy the ungraded coins, again, it kind of comes down to whatever your strategy is. If you like to collect, then heck, go for it. Buy these. Get yourself the red book too. And then that way you can build your collection. Put these in those like NGC or PCGS, plastic tubs and store them that way. And I could see how that would be fun for people collecting the coins. But these do have a higher premium as opposed to just buying a coin that could be ungraded $30. This would be maybe $60, $70 because you're paying for the slab, the grading, and the MS64. In this case, this is another MS64. Really all depends on what it is that you're looking to do. Me, again, personally, I prefer the ungraded coins over the slabbed. If I get slabbed coins, it's usually like a gift or something, or I'm buying it to resell it. So my advice really would be, if you're stacking, go for the weight, not the slabbed coins. If you're more of a numismatist and you're into collecting, then go ahead, get yourself some of the slabbed stuff. Do you like the slabbed coins more than the raw? What is your preference? Let us all know down below. And I just want to quickly thank these elite channel supporters, and if you haven't become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. Check out these videos. Until next time, long live the Empire.